friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amy. I upload videos every single Thursday, sometimes Friday. It just kind of depends how my work week goes. I have a pretty busy schedule outside of YouTube. So without further ado, if you would like to find out how I achieved this kind of simple half cut crease look using the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dreams palette. It is so beautiful. I just like, this is my favorite shade. Anyways, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Nothing like round 3 with a voiceover, am I right? Hi, how are you? We are back. We are better than ever. Just kidding, I've done this 3 times now. So taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, I am priming my eyes and carving my brows out. Just taking that Sigma concealer brush, we are gently going over our eyelids and creating that base. We will then be going in with a Luxie fluffy blending brush to kind of not buff, but just blend the primer in to create a nice soft base. I don't suggest using a beauty blender with this eye primer as it kind of makes it patchy, just an FYI. So now for the star of the show, we are taking the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dreams palette and we're dipping into the shade Skyline with a Morphe M330 brush. This is kind of like a fluffy blending brush, but I'm also using it to pack the color on. It's very multi-use. Whatever you want you to use your brushes for, you do you, girl, and I'll do me. This is how I use it though. So just packing it on to where I want it, and then I'm lightly blending it out. I don't know why I'm so sassy in this voiceover. Wow, what is with me tonight? We're just going to keep going with it though. Taking the shade Cloudy on a Alamar fluffy brush, I am creating a gradient with that shade, with the 2 shades. You know, blending out Skyline with Cloudy. We're creating a skyline and the clouds are on top of the skyline. See what I did there? I don't know. Now we're taking the shade Sunrise. See what we're doing? We're going down the skyline to the sunrise. To make this effect on my eyelid, oh my god, am I drunk right now? I'm just a little tipsy. To create this effect to, define my cut crease, I am using the M149 brush by Morphe, and then I'm blending it out with the M506 brush, but still using the same shade. I'm kind of mending all the shades together right now. So taking Cloudy again on an Alamar Cosmetics blending brush, we are going back in and we are blending. Oh, there is not enough blending in this household. Taking Skyline again. Do you see a theme? My god, why am I so sassy? I'm taking an M506 brush and then an Alamar Cosmetics brush. I'm going back and forth with all the shades over and over again where I've already placed them. So I feel like I don't really need to explain this too in depth because you can see what I'm doing, right? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below how I am doing with 1.5 drinks in, because clearly I can't do a voiceover like this. Oh my god, I completely skipped a step. So I'm going to take this really quickly. I am taking the pencil brush that I used and creating a gradient from the darkest color to the lightest color from my outer corner towards the middle of my lid. And then I am taking my Alamar Cosmetics brush and I am blending it all together with nothing else on it. So taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, I am going back in and cutting the crease. Oh baby. Oh yeah, we're cutting that crease. For some reason, I couldn't do it better on this eye. I really don't know why I struggled so much, but you know, pretending like I'm back in the day and don't know what I'm doing, I will show you how to fix a botched cut crease. So taking that small pencil brush from Morphe that I was using earlier and the shade Sunrise, I am going to outline that cut crease and just kind of clean it up. This is my favorite part. Oh my god, I sounded so bored. This is my favorite part. There we go. Really sassy included. What? Anyways, we are taking the Too Faced Glitter Glue Primer. This is basically a really expensive version of the NYX Glitter Primer, so just an FYI, but I am putting that all over my lid and then going in with this stunning, oh my god, stunning shade of Blue Diamond from the palette. With my finger, we are going to pat it all over the lid and get the majority of the color on with my finger because it gives off the best payoff with a chunky glitter like this. And then going in with a flat, dense, luxy shadow brush, I am going in and making sure that all of the edges of the cut crease are covered and then kind of going into blending it into the colors. So just quickly, I'm taking the shade Sunrise on a Morphe M506 brush and just blending that into the color to create a nice gradient. So this is my least favorite part because I suck, literally suck at eyeliner. I just did a moderately okay job at this one. So I'm not one to teach, but generally when I do liquid eyeliner, I start with lining the upper lash line and then I wing it out and kind of just hope and pray that nothing goes all jig-jaggedy and is good. That's all. So for the lashes, I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara and the Glam Cosmetics lashes in the style Cheeky and just putting that on. And for the lower lash line, I am only taking the shade Skyline on the lower lash line and blending that out with a fluffy brush. I'm using all the same brushes as earlier. And then going back in with the Better Than Sex Mascara on the lower lash line just to bring the look together. Boom. Don't really have much to say. Taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Rose Gold, I am putting that on the inner corner, but I am also topping it with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in How Many Carats? So this is the final look. And back to you, Amy. So that is it for this week's video. If you have a request for what you would like to see next week, then leave me a comment down below. We are so close to 1.5K on Instagram and I can't wait to hit it. If you would like to help me reach my goal, then please hit the link down in the description bar and hit the follow button. It would mean the world to me. There is way more content on my Instagram than my YouTube, so just keep that in mind. I have a giveaway coming at 1.5K on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye! What was that? Bye!